If you're looking for a challenge and excitement in improving the appearance of your car, but you're not familiar with car polishing and its principles, what are you waiting for? Stay with us until the end of this video to reveal the secret of making your car look more attractive.
In this video, we want to introduce you to the various types of car polishing pads. Foam pads stand out as one of the most versatile and cost-effective options for car and motorcycle polishing machines. Crafted from soft and flexible foam material, these pads serve as practical tools for polishing, waxing, and correcting vehicle surfaces. The key features of foam pads are as follows. 1. Flexibility. Thanks to their flexibility, foam pads effortlessly conform to various vehicle surfaces, adapting to different shapes with ease. 2. Absorption and distribution. Foam pads excel in absorbing and evenly distributing materials like polish and wax, leading to superior surface correction and polishing results. 3. Scratch resistance. The soft and pliable nature of foam pads ensures that they safeguard vehicle surfaces effectively, leaving no scratches behind. 4. Pressure resistance. These pads boast excellent pressure resistance, delivering optimal outcomes when the right amount of pressure is applied during use.
A full wax pad is an essential tool in the process of waxing and protecting car surfaces. These pads are made of soft and durable materials and are used to apply wax to car surfaces. The main features of a full wax pad include 1. Special design. A full wax pad has a special design that makes it easy to use on various car surfaces. 2. Absorption and distribution of wax. These pads have the ability to absorb and distribute wax uniformly on the surface, helping to maintain and protect the car surface. 3. Optimal performance. By using a full wax pad, wax can be applied to the car surface optimally and effectively, achieving shine and proper protection. By using a full wax pad, waxing and protecting car surfaces can be easily and efficiently done, giving long-lasting shine and beauty to the car.
A complete polishing pad is an essential tool in the process of car surface correction. These pads are made of soft and durable materials and are used for applying surface correction to cars. The main features of a complete polishing pad include 1. Suitable design. A complete polishing pad has a special design that can be easily used on different surfaces of cars. 2. Professional performance. These pads have the ability to perform uniform and professional surface correction and polishing, which helps improve the appearance and smoothness of the car's surface. 3. Dust absorption. A complete polishing pad can effectively absorb dust and fine particles, preventing the risk of creating scratches on the car's surface. 4. Pressure resistance. These pads have good resistance against pressure and can perform better with proper pressure applied to the surface. By using a complete polishing pad, it is easy to achieve a smooth and beautiful appearance for the car.
Buffing pad. This type of pad is used for removing deeper scratches, leveling surface imperfections, and enhancing the strength and durability of the polish. It is specifically designed for non-metallic white colors.